In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Chatgpt AI. It's a free method. Now, you can see I'm on Google here, and yesterday I made a video called How to Make $100 a Day with System.io. So I did a search for that, and I'm using a Chrome extension, a Search GPT for Chrome it's called. You can go to the Chrome extensions and download it. Now this is what Chatgpt told me about making $100 a day with System.io. So it says, as an original language model, I can provide some general strategies for making money with System.io or any other business platform. However, please keep in mind that specific results and success depend on various factors, including your niche, effort, dedication, etc. Here are some steps to potentially make $100 a day with System.io. Now, if you had no idea what to put in a video, and you type this in, or you found a video that's doing really well, and you could type the title into Google using this Chrome extension, it would give you the ideas what to make a video for. And if you don't want to appear on video yourself, you could make it in a PowerPoint presentation. So let's look at what it says. First, choose a profitable niche. Select a niche topic that has a particular audience and demand for products or services. It could be related to your expertise or a subject you are passionate about. So let's look. Here is System.io. Now, if you want to get this, you can get free access to this without a credit card, etc. There'll be a link in the description below. But if you want to, now it says find a niche. So you go over to a website called clickbank.com, and I'm in the marketplace. Now all these categories you could call niches. And then when you click on them, they're what we call sub-niches. Let's just look at as I did the other day. So 721 in health and fitness. And these are sub-niches. And you can go even further. Let's say dietary supplements. There's 151 dietary supplements. These are very specific. So that's, choose one of these, whatever your area of interest is. So that's what Chatgpt tells us to do. Choose a profitable niche. So you could also look for, you could also go back into Chatgpt and ask what are the profitable niches in ClickBank. It'll tell you. Now, the next step is create valuable content. Produce high quality content such as blog posts, videos or podcasts that resonate with your target audience. This will help attract and engage visitors to your website. Again, you could type this portion of this back into Chatgpt and get it to expand on that. Now it talks about build an email list. Use System.io's features to build an email list of those interested subscribers. Email marketing is a powerful tool to nurture relationships, promote products, and drive sales. And as you can see here, you can get a free account, as I said, up to 2,000 subscribers for free. You can have 3 funnels, but this is what you can do on here. You can host online courses, blogging, sell products, but what we want to use this for is to collect emails and build our business, which is what they're talking about, to be able to do email marketing. Offer a digital product, and that's what we were looking for here in the marketplace. Offer a digital product or service. Develop and sell a digital product, e.g. ebooks, online courses, templates, or provide a service, e.g. coaching, consulting that align with your niche and needs. You don't even need to create your own product. There's thousands of products here, thousands and thousands of them, that you can just go in here and choose to become an affiliate. Let's look here. This one, it's paying you $146 for every time somebody purchases it. and you can just go through here. You want to know what these numbers are here. Gravity is the number of affiliates that have made at least one sale in the last month. So there's at least 780 affiliates that have sold at least one of these products in the last month, and the top affiliates will be selling multiple of these a day. So you do the numbers. So there's many other websites that do this as well. Or if you find something there, and another slant on this is find a product or a service or something that's of interest to you, go back to Chatgpt and write in there and tell it to create a 10-page ebook on whatever the topic is that you've found. And then it'll give you, not 10-page, 10-chapter ebook. Then each of those chapters, you then tell it to write a 300-word article for that chapter. You put all those chapters together, then you can go over to a website like Canva and make, and that's free as well. You can go over there and that has thousands of ebook covers that you can edit. Inside of the book, which you give away for free, inside of that book you put links to your product. In other words, here it says promote. It will give you, let's say this, when you sign up you'll be given a nickname. That's mine. Create a hop link. So inside of the book you then hyperlink keywords back to this, and then the people will buy from that and you get paid. So that's a digital product without, you know, a really simple way, without knowing nothing about it. Get Chatgpt to create it for you. Set up a sales funnel. So you use System.io Sales Funnel Builder to create effective sales processes and guide potential customers from their initial interest to making a purchase. That's what I said, that you use System.io. It's really easy to use, and I've got some tutorials on that as well. You can look in the channel for that. Set up a simple sales funnel, a one-page landing page even, where you collect the email, you build an email database. It allows you to then email with their permission, because they've given you permission by putting their email in that opt-in box. You're able then to send them further emails, and a majority, or not a majority, but a percentage of people will buy as a result of you giving them ongoing information. If they don't buy that product, you can then send them information on a similar product. And if they don't want to stay on your email list by law, and it's included in this, there's a link there where they can choose to opt out. All done legally. So that's setting up your sales funnel. Affiliate marketing is what I was talking about already. Promote other people's products as an affiliate using System.io's affiliate marketing features. Earn a commission for each sale generated through your referral link. You could also run a webinar and workshops, host webinars or workshops to showcase your expertise and promote your products or services. Webinars can be an effective way to convert leads into customers. Now, again, you don't need to appear with your face. You don't have to have your face on a webinar, even though it will have more impact. You can use slideshows and just talk to the slideshow, or even pay someone else over on a website like Fiverr or Upwork to do it for you, because they don't need to be live. Now you leverage social media. Utilize the social media platforms to promote your content and engage with your audience. Systems.io also provides tools for integrating with social media. Optimize these for conversions. Continuous test and optimize your website, landing pages, and sales funnels to improve conversion rates and maximize your earnings. Historically, 1 to 3% of people will buy the first time they land on a sales page. So it makes sense that you collect their emails because of that 100 people that come to a website, only 1 to 3 of those people buy the first time, so 97 of them are gone. Unless you've collected their email address and you're able to send them up more information, updates, and you might get another 5% of them. And then, you can send a daily, monthly, you could continue for however long you choose with other offers as well. So, that conversion of 1 to 3%, you might change to 10% just by collecting that email address. Customer support. Provide excellent customer support to build trust and loyalty. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others to your business. And that is really, really relevant. It's easier to service an existing customer than it is to find a new customer. I've had people buy products over and over again. Give them what it is they're looking for and give them great service. And then you can track and analyze results. Now, this might be something you wouldn't do in the beginning, but as you get more experienced. Use System.io's analytics tracking features to monitor your business performance and identify areas for improvement. Remember, making $100 a day may take time and consistent effort. Be patient, stay persistent, and adapt your strategies based on the feedbacks you receive from your audience. Always comply with ethical marketing practices and focus on providing value for your customers. Here's a way that I drive traffic by making these videos. You can use TikTok. You can use Facebook. And there are tutorials on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go to my channel and subscribe. You'll get notified when I update and upload new videos. And there's tutorials and training there on how to do many of these things. So, as I said, if you want to know how to make money online using Chatgpt AI, this free method could be what you're looking for. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a little different, but I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.